Hi, I'm Christy with Happily Hooked Magazine. In this video, I will be teaching you how to crochet the triple treble crochet stitch. To begin, yarn over 4 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 loops on your hook. Well, this is a loop and this is the 4th yarn over. Insert your hook into the stitch. Yarn over and pull back through. Now you will have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. From here, you will yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over, pull through 2. And see, I hold it here so that it doesn't pull it up or mess with the gauge on it. Yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over, pull through 2. And the last time. And the triple treble crochet is a really long post stitch here. It has a really long post. But that's how you do it. So yarn over 4 times. Hold it all with your finger here. Insert your hook, yarn over and pull back through. Yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over, pull through 2. And repeat, repeat, repeat. And that's how you complete the triple treble crochet. Join me back here for more tutorials with Happily Hooked Magazine.